Aim right, achieve big at KR Mangalam University.
रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच 3.5 साल से जारी जंग को खत्म करने पर अमेरिका में सोमवार को बड़ी बैठक हुई थी। इस बैठक में अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप, यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति ज़ेलेंस्की, फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति इमैनुअल मैक्रों, ब्रिटेन के पीएम कीयर स्टारमर, जर्मन चांसलर फ्रेडरिक मर्ज, इटली की प्रधानमंत्री जॉर्जिया मेलोनी, फिनलैंड के राष्ट्रपति अलेक्जेंडर स्टब, यूरोपीय आयोग के अध्यक्ष उर्सुला वॉन डेर लेयन और नाटो महासचिव मार्क रूट भी शामिल हुए। इस बैठक के दौरान सभी देशों ने जल्द से जल्द युद्ध को खत्म करने पर सहमति जताई। बैठक के दौरान रूस, यूक्रेन और अमेरिका के बीच त्रिपक्षीय बातचीत का भी समर्थन हुआ। साथ ही यूक्रेन की सुरक्षा पर भी यूरोपीय नेताओं ने चर्चा की। बैठक के दौरान यूरोपीय नेताओं ने कहा कि जंग को जल्द खत्म करने के लिए रूस पर दबाव बनाना जरूरी है। वहीं अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति ने भरोसा दिया कि वो त्रिपक्षीय वार्ता और दूसरे मुद्दों पर पुतिन से बात करेंगे। रूस यूक्रेन की जंग जारी रहेगी या शांति होगी, इसका फैसला 1 से 2 हफ्ते में हो जाएगा। ट्रंप ने कहा कि इस बैठक के बाद हम एक और मीटिंग करके फिर फैसला लेंगे। ट्रंप ने कहा कि मेरी प्राथमिकता लोगों को बचाना है। उम्मीद है कि बैठक से कुछ जरूर निकलेगा।
The Alaska summit reinforced my belief that while difficult, peace is within reach, and I believe that in a very significant step, President Putin agreed that Russia would accept security guarantees for Ukraine, and this is one of the key points that we need to consider, and we're going to be considering that at the table also, like who will do what, essentially. I'm optimistic that collectively we can reach an agreement that would deter any future aggression against Ukraine. We also need to discuss the possible exchanges of territory, taking into consideration the current line of contact. That means the war zone, the war lines that are pretty obvious, very sad actually to look at them, and negotiating positions. President Putin, also you have President of Ukraine, who is you just met a little while ago, and we're going to try and get a 3-party meeting, maybe as soon as we can. And I have a feeling you and President Putin are going to work something out. Ultimately, this is a decision that can only be made by President Zelensky and by the people of Ukraine working also together in agreement with President Putin. And I just think that's very good things are going to come of it. So I hope we have a good meeting. And if we can have a good meeting, all of us would obviously prefer an immediate ceasefire while we work on a lasting peace. And maybe something like that could happen. As of this moment, it's not happening. But President Zelensky and President Putin can talk a little bit more about that. You know, in the 6 or so wars that we stopped, we haven't had a ceasefire.
इस बैठक में यूरोपीय नेताओं के सामने यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति ज़ेलेंस्की ने 3 मुद्दों को उठाया। उन्होंने यूक्रेन की सुरक्षा की गारंटी, किडनैप हुए बच्चों की वापसी और सभी मुद्दों पर बातचीत के लिए अमेरिका की मौजूदगी पर जोर दिया।
We had very good conversation with President Trump.
Very good.
And it really was the best one. Maybe the best one will be in the future. But it was really good. And we spoke about very sensitive points. The first one is security guarantees. And we are very happy with President that all the leaders are here, and the security in Ukraine depends on the United States and on you and on those leaders who are with us in our hearts. They have been online before yesterday, and etc. So a lot of countries on the side of Ukraine, our people, and all of us want to finish this war, stop Russia and stop this war. We spoke about it, and we will speak more about security guarantees. This is very important that the United States gives such strong signal and is ready for security guarantees. The second point, or maybe the first, humanitarian direction, very important to exchange all the prisoners, and I think that President will help, and I was very thankful to your wife again, Mr. President, for the letter about our abducted children. All the sensitive things, territorial, etc., we will discuss on the level of leaders during trilateral meeting, and President Trump will try to organize such meeting, and he said that he will come or not come. Ukraine will be happy if